Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. Guys, in this video I want to share with you something which is so important. And if you are into trading, or you have been trading but you don't have enough capital, or maybe you have less than $200 and you are trading but it's not working out for you, then listen to this video because it's so important to you. It's gonna help you a lot, guys. Okay, so my name is Cynthia. For those people who are watching me for the first time or have come across my channel for the very first time, in this channel I do tutorials on how to make money online. Okay, so back to the video itself. I'm talking about a program known as Rebels funding, or RF funding. I know some of you, you've heard of it or you've come across it, across Profam, and also I know some of you, you have even interacted with them because they normally give a monthly competition whereby you compete with other traders globally, and if you happen to be among the 100 top 100, they will give you a count depending on the number or the position you are at the end of every month. Okay, so I have participated, and I can say it is a good program and they are not after anyone's money. So if you're looking for a legit program that works so well and they are not after your money but your success, they have come out with they have come up with this promotion. It's a challenge that is limited, and I think they said they have 500 accounts remaining. So if you happen to watch this video as early as possible, kindly go confirm if it is still going on, it's still available. Okay, so the promotion has discount. They are giving out 1,000 account for training. So this account, if you happen to pass the 3 challenges or the 3 phases, then they will allow you to be earning from that account, or you'll be taking 80 to 90% of the profit you made monthly from that account in case you pass the 3 phases. And guys, something that I want to share with you is so important because it's a tip which is gonna help you pass the phases. So just continue watching the video because I'm going to share with you that there is code that if you use, you're gonna get a 3 euro discount. And this challenge, or this training account, which is $1,000, is so cheap, guys. It is 6 euros, but they're gonna give you a discount of 3 euros, so you're gonna pay only 3 euros, which is so cheap, guys. So if you're looking into like trading, you want to trade with at least reasonable capital, make sure you join immediately. I'm gonna put the code on the description of the video, and I'm also going to put the Rebels funding profile link, whereby you can go register, submit your document for verifications. Once it is approved, you can go ahead and apply for the 1,000 training account that you'll be given. After you use the code, they're gonna give you a 3 euro discount. Okay, so it's so cheap, and the good thing with them is that they're not after your money, they are after your success, and that is why they have come up with this challenge, okay, or this promotion, whereby they give out 3 a 3 euro discount, and it's only 6 euros. Okay, it's so cheap. And for you to pass this is a tip, guys. I've done it. So for you to pass, this is what I've done. Use you can trade XRP, that is crypto. Just trade XRP because it is not that volatile. Okay, if you go for gold, or you go for Bitcoin, you're gonna blow your account and you're not going to pass the phases unless you are a pro or somebody who have been trading. So if you know how to trade well, you have your own strategy, you can as well go for other you can as well go for other pairs. But this is for people who are still learning. Use something that is not that volatile, and it will not help you blow your account as quickly as you start trading. Okay, so I used XRP to pass. Use the XRP to pass. Okay, use XRP coin to trade the challenge so that you can pass the three phases on a daily basis you are only allowed to go up, $50 drawdown, okay, and the maximum is $100 drawdown, okay. So it means that you cannot lose more than 5% in a day. So if you lose 5%, you're gonna lose your account. So in order not to lose this account, make sure you trade something which is not volatile, okay. I hope that is clear. That is so clear, guys. There is the code, so you need that code in order to be given the €3 discount. It's €6, but if you use the code, you're gonna get you're gonna pay only €3. I'm gonna put on the screen how I put mine, and I'm gonna put the full thing on there, okay. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and like the video, and also you can turn the notification bell on, so that anytime I'll be uploading the videos in the future, you will be notified, and as you get the notification. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.